In this video, I will explain what global transport networks are and why they are vulnerable to crises. You will learn how these networks function and the challenges they face in difficult times. Global transport networks connect different parts of the world and enable the exchange of goods and people. These networks include roads, railways, airports, and ports. They are the backbone of the international economy, ensuring that products are transported quickly and reliably. Without them, trade between countries and continents would hardly be possible. Transport networks are an essential component of the global economy. They make it possible to move goods quickly from one place to another, which is crucial for trade and production. Many companies rely on the regular transportation of raw materials and finished products. If a part of the network fails, it can have severe consequences for the entire economy. Global transport networks are vulnerable to various crises. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, or storms can damage roads, bridges, and ports. Political crises, such as wars or trade disputes, can also hinder transport. Such crises often lead to delays and increased costs in international trade. The COVID-19 pandemic dramatically demonstrated the vulnerability of transport networks. Lockdowns and travel restrictions severely limited the transport of goods. Many supply chains broke down, leading to shortages of essential products. The pandemic highlighted how quickly global transport networks can be disrupted by unforeseen events. Modern technologies like GPS, automated warehouses, and drones have made global transport networks more efficient. They enable better planning and faster delivery of goods. However, these technologies are also vulnerable to failures, such as cyber attacks or technical malfunctions. Therefore, new technologies must be continuously improved and secured. Climate change also impacts global transport networks. Extreme weather conditions, such as stronger storms and heat waves, can block or endanger transport routes. This leads to higher risks and increased costs for the transportation of goods. It is essential that transport networks are adapted to function reliably under challenging climatic conditions. Politics plays an important role in ensuring that transport networks continue to function during crises. Governments must take measures to protect infrastructure and respond quickly to emergencies. They can also implement regulations that facilitate or support trade during crises. Without these political actions, many crises would be far more severe. Resilience refers to how well a system can recover from disruptions. Global transport networks must be made more resilient to respond better to crises. This includes regular maintenance of infrastructure and the creation of emergency plans. The better a transport network is prepared for crises, the faster it can recover from disruptions. In the future, global transport networks will likely become even more digitalized and interconnected. New technologies, such as self-driving vehicles or new sustainable transport methods, could help improve efficiency and reduce vulnerability to crises. Nonetheless, it remains a challenge to keep these networks safe and stable, especially in an increasingly uncertain world.